Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dark and moody AI portrait with a horror movie twist using Gemini AI. It's super easy and looks amazing, so let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through the websites or through the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And then when you're logged in, just tap on create image to access the Nano Banana. But or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Next just upload the photo that you want to edit. Make sure it's clear so the AI can keep your facial features intact. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload or choose your photo. And then let's come the fun part. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt exactly or just feel free if you want to replace the details of this prompt, maybe like replace or describe the horror movie costume that you want, for example like a ghost, clown, vampire, or any spooky icon that you like. Next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and then I will just change the costume detail. For example like this, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this. As you can see, you will get a photo like this. Just look at these vibes, and honestly it's so give a horror movie vibe, but cool at the same time. And okay, maybe that's it. Your dark and moody horror AI portrait is ready. Just try it out, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.